Hi, I'm Megan, and this is my screencast for discussion post number 1 in EDUC 2002 at Algonquin College. So what I'm going to show you today is how to use the snipping tool in Windows. This is one of my favorite tools. I use it all the time in the course developments that I do. Sometimes I might grab a little bit of an image from a graphic we made or something from a website, and I just need to insert a JPEG, so I snip it. I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go down to your start down here, and I like to just type it in. It's the quickest way to find it, actually. So there it is. You can see there's lots of different things you can do option-wise up here. I always just use the rectangular snip, but you could do a free-form, window, or the full screen. You could also set a timer on it if you don't want to snip it as you're doing it, if you're trying to capture something in the moment. And then there's some other options here too, hiding the text, prompting you to save it before you exit, things like that. I always just keep it really basic because all I'm grabbing is just an image. So you just hit New up here, and then it's going to give you a little cursor, and you just make your box around what you would like to snip, let go, and there it is. Puts a nice white background around it, and I just need to save it. Put it on my desktop, and I'm going to give it a big number here because I probably have a few of these on my desktop. And I hit save. And that's it, and it's ready to go and be imported into anything that I need it in. So that's my screencast for you for today for the class. I hope you enjoyed it.